What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another case review. This time we're going to be looking at the all-new Samsung Galaxy S10e, and we have a case here from Subcase. This is Unicorn Beetle Pro, one of the most protective cases that you can get for this phone. We're going to get it unboxed, we're going to get it on, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it. So let's check it out. So we got the box here, like I said, from Subcase. This is Unicorn Beetle Pro. I'm going to take everything out. Just like so. Get the styrofoam off. Get all the paperwork out. We got a piece of plastic on the front screen. Then we got to get that piece of styrofoam out. So we'll break this case in two. Just like that. This is front piece. This is back piece. This is holster. So as I said, right here, we get a nice rubberized bumper. Has a nice hard back, soft on the inside. Sit that over here. Right here, this is the screen. Actually, you got a piece of plastic in there. Remember, the S10e will not have the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner under the screen. The S10e only has the fingerprint sensor on the side. So you can actually cover with a screen. And this is the holster. Now the holster has nice hard backing, but right in the middle of that holster, there is a foamy grip like microfiber lining. And then on the back, you're going to have the clip. Now this microfiber lining is going to protect your screen as your phone lays there. It's going to give a little bit of cushion. And this on the back, this clip is going to move 360 degrees. So we got good turn right there. We're going to try this out a little bit later on, but for now, I'm going to sit it to the side. And let's talk about this case as we get it onto this phone. Now, with this front, it has a hook right here. So I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little hook. We're going to slide that in. Boom. Front stays on. It's held really nice. It's tight, it's snug. You don't have to worry about that front coming off. You got good. Look at that. I'm shaking. It's not moving. Perfect. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to drop this down in this. So it drops in. It lines up really nice, really perfect. It's actually really snug. Now I got some fingerprints on there. Let me get those off. Now, kickstand on the back. Two orientations. You can stand up just like that. You can stand up just like this. So you get a nice portrait orientation and you get a landscape orientation. Next thing we're going to talk about is the actual buttons. You got volume buttons over here, Bixby button dedicated right down here. Fingerprint scanner, remember, it's really nice. It's convenient. Your finger can go in like that or your thumb can go in like that. So either way, the fingerprints reader is going to be conveniently placed right here on that side. And you're going to be able to use it in any type of way. My fingers go like right in that hole. So it's really convenient, really easy, fits really nice. It's a perfect fit for anybody's finger. Down bottom, wide open, charging port, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and you got speaker and mic on deck. Everything lines up. Everything fits really nice. Really snug case. These cases have been drop tested up to 20 feet now. So you're going to be able to drop this phone 20 feet, which the average drop is going to be probably around 4 feet, 3 to 4 feet. But this should be protected. Your camera sits down in that recess just like so. You don't have to worry about that getting banged up, scratched up. Everything looks really good, really fluid on this phone. It flows. It feels good in the hand. And it's not that bulky at all. Next thing you're going to want to do is get your holster. You're going to drop that in. Boom. Snap shut. And remember I told you, any direction, 360 degrees, you can turn this any way that you need to. And it's going to work every single time. It's easy to turn. I'm not putting a whole lot of work into it. Snaps around. Does really good. So this has been the review of the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy S10e. These phones will be out a little later on this week, so go by and check them out. I'm going to leave a link below to this case so you can go by and pick up one. But for this one, I will be giving it away. So leave your comments below. Let me know why you deserve this case or why you need this case, and I will pick a winner on the day of release. Hopefully we get enough views so that people get a fair chance. But I will be giving this case away, and I will announce the winner on the day that the phones come out, which will be March 8th. So go ahead, leave that comment. Be sure and follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, anything you want. Leave me a comment. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll be sure and get this case out to that lucky winner. So hope this is able to help someone. Until next time, Average Tech Guy is out. Be sure and subscribe. Be sure to leave me that thumbs up. Peace.